can I lodge a partner visa without the help of a registered migration agent? Very good question. There's a number of different answers here. If your case is straightforward, if you've already had visa advice from a registered migration agent who's had full consideration of the background of your relationship and they're of the opinion it's a relatively straightforward case, then you can consider lodging your partner visa on your own. Do so at your own risk. So it's really important, I think at least at a minimum, that you've already had that advice, that initial advice, and perhaps look at some kind of in-between support where a migration agent can review your application or give you templates and examples of how to put that application together. So yes, you can lodge your partner visa application on your own if it's a straightforward case. If not, if there's complexities, and that's going to be determined in the visa advice session. If there are complexities, I do strongly recommend having a migration agent. At the end of the day, it's your loved one. It's your future in Australia that depends on it, and most importantly, that $7,000 is gone if that visa application is refused. So if it's a straightforward case, as has been advised by a registered migration agent, then yeah, do consider lodging on your own. It can save you money. Look at some level of support if you can afford it. If it's a complex case, I strongly recommend that you get assistance with that.